At first glance, the Dyson Clean Plus Wash Hygiene looks like the kind of device that promises to completely change how you clean your floors. But does it actually deliver something different, or is it just another premium gadget with big claims? This wet and dry cleaner is designed to handle both dust and liquid mess in one go. And one of its biggest talking points is the filter-free hygiene system, which means you don't have to deal with the typical dirty filters that many cleaners use. The idea behind this design is to keep the cleaning process more hygienic while reducing maintenance. But in real-world use, the experience can feel a bit mixed. On one hand, the machine is clearly engineered with Dyson's usual attention to detail, and the way it separates dirt and liquid waste makes the cleaning process feel more controlled and organized. At the same time, the overall performance depends a lot on the type of mess you're dealing with. It handles everyday dust and small spills reasonably well, but tougher or stickier messes may still require more effort than you might expect from a high-end cleaner. The hygiene system without a traditional filter is definitely an interesting concept, because it reduces the need to constantly wash or replace filters. Though some people might still wonder whether the internal cleaning mechanism truly stays as sanitary as advertised over long-term use. Another thing worth considering is that while the device aims to simplify floor cleaning by combining wet and dry functions, it doesn't completely eliminate the need for regular cleaning routines or occasional manual effort. Overall, the Dyson Clean Plus Wash Hygiene feels like a modern cleaning solution with some smart ideas. But whether it truly transforms your cleaning routine or simply offers a slightly different approach will likely depend on your expectations and how demanding your cleaning needs are.